man, you know, so we are going to come on one other banger drink again. This is the Wray Nephew. If you are going to use and make the Rumpunch.
Yes, man, guys. So, just went and pick up the Maya's rum. This is what we're going to use into it. So, it's going to be a Rumpunch, mixed master style, different and unusual.
Right. So
yes, man.
Drink responsibly. Definitely.
Definitely. And don't spill shit. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers.
Yeah.
You know, once it's a flavor, it's a mix master. You know, it's gonna be another lit, another cracker, another banger special. Where's the mix master?
We're gonna bring it out again. This one is gonna be different.
Yes, man. But before we're going out, I have to big up with day one sponsor, Oliver's Pharmacy, located in Falmouth, Trelawney, for the best price in pharmaceutical product. Go check him out.
All right.
Yeah, man. We are gonna bring it Jamaican original drink. You cannot have a bartending channel and you don't have this drink on it, especially if you're representing Jamaica. So
yes,
we are gonna do what?
Do it.
Which is right.
All right.
We're gonna do it now.
Yeah, man. We
You know,
start
as
it up.
we said before, we're gonna go into something Jamaican. So this is the Jamaican rum
Punch.
which is right.
You're not gonna take it for no lunch.
No, I mean sometimes you can have it for brunch.
All right.
So we're gonna do this now. Go night, mix master.
All right. So guess what we're gonna start off with? Good old Appleton. Jamaican rum punch. Remember I said in the last video, we're going to mojito Cuban. Now we are giving a Jamaican thing.
Which is right.
Yeah, man. So we're going to put some rum in it.
Yes, man.
So Appleton is one of the big brands in Jamaica.
Alright, and you know on my side, me know I'ma do all of that. Me I go prepare the fruits
Yes.
to put inside the glass. So go night, mix master.
So we have some Maya's dark rum. You have to put dark rum in the rum punch. So we have a little bold and a little dark. Here we go. So guess what now? You see this? Wray Nephew. Don't play with this one. Guess what?
That name road to your parents. The Wray Nephew overproof. Don't play with it, guys.
Yeah.
Alright. So for garnish your glass, we are gonna put some melon, fresh watermelon. We're gonna use some oranges. We're gonna use lemon, and we're gonna use the Jamaican lime.
Right.
Yes, man. So all of that is gonna go inside the glass, and I'm not leaving out the pineapple inside the glass too.
Guess what? We have some Angostura bitters. You can't make a rum punch and not put bitters in it. You know, it make no sense. See it? So we'll put some bitters in it. So you know what the bitter is good for? Yeah. It helps you to digest this drink very well because the orange and the pineapple have an acid. So that helps to cut the acid out of it. So we're gonna put some orange juice.
Alright, and you know on my side we are prepare the fruits to go inside the glass. So we're cutting up the melon nice. Dice it up, you know.
Pineapple. So orange, pineapple. Yeah, man. Wow, I smell it already. Whoa.
Whoa.
Strong, man.
Real Jamaican rum punch.
Yes, man. Remember,
Yes, man.
don't take it for lunch.
Yes, man. You only can have it one time for brunch.
All right.
Yes, man.
See it? Strawberry. Lasco syrup. Yeah, man. So guess what we're going to do now? We're going to mix it up and have a little taste of it and see how it reach.
Alright guys, remember Rumpunch is famous for like parties, and I mean any little occasion, party, birthday party, weddings, you know, you can do the Jamaican Rumpunch. It's very good, very refreshing, but you have to drink responsibly.
Yes.
Yeah.
And don't spill it.
Definitely.
Mix it up, you know. Yeah, man. Bring it on.
Yes.
Yeah, man. I want a nice. Everybody will lend. This one, if you make it like the mix master, make it.
It's gonna be good.
You're gonna enjoy. Seriously.
Alright, so now I'm gonna add the ice to the glass. Add some melon, orange again. Add some a bit more melon, Then you go ice again. Ice again. Yeah, man, as I said before, any party, wedding, any one of them occasion, this is a perfect drink to use.
Yeah, man, Rumpunch is a very famous thing in Jamaica.
Yes, man.
Rum.
Miss Master, you want a piece of lime too?
Yeah, man, I'll
Squeeze
drop
the
some
lime.
lime in it.
Yeah, man, squeeze 2 lime in lime. Which is right. Cause you know once the Mix Master channel and anything we do, guys, we go all out.
Yes,
and we do it for you guys to try it. Different, unusual. Yes, man, and remember it tastes good too.
Alright, now just make alone.
Put some lime
Nice.
in it. Jamaican lime. And we don't play.
Yeah, man.
And then we have some pineapple we're gonna top it off with. Some nice fresh pineapple. Alright, so we're gonna add more ice now. Get the ice all over in it. Yes, man, here we do it. Juice already. Alright, so now get some pineapple in it. Yes. Some pineapple. I'll put some more ice again.
Yeah, man, this is it. Real party style. Wicked and wild.
So you call this the famous bowl.
Yes.
It's the Rumpunch style. Alright.
So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna pour it inside of it.
Yes, man.
See it? So it's pretty. There you have it.
And then we have some nice stir stick. We drop inside that, represented by Appleton. Yeah?
Nice, look good.
Nice. Can add a little more ice if you want. Add a little more ice in there.
Load it up high.
Yes, man. Get them ready. Alright.
So something like this, you can make it at home if you want. Something like this, you know? You don't have to get the same thing. When
Yes,
we use
man.
it in any party,
Any function,
Yeah,
anything.
man. Yeah,
And that's
man.
how we do it, Mix Master style. You know, guys, thank you guys for supporting us. And I mean, from the channel inception till now, we give thanks for all viewers, all subscribers. You know,
Yes, man.
keep
So-
on supporting us, Mix Master.
Yes, man. So we're gonna bring it out to the display.
Wait, Mix Master. Wait, no, we not taste a little yet. Don't taste a little bit.
Yes.
Because we can't make the Rumpunch and we not taste it.
Yes, man.
Yeah, you
Small
have it for
amount.
lunch, and I have it for brunch. Let's
Cheers, guys.
Yeah, alright. Yes.
Amazing.
This is it.